MidJourney is a generative AI tool that has gained significant attention for its ability to create stunning visuals from text prompts. Here's a comprehensive overview to help you craft your video. MidJourney was launched on July 12, 2022 in open beta. It was developed by MidJourney Inc., an independent research lab based in San Francisco. The team is led by David Holtz, who previously co-founded Leap Motion. MidJourney is designed to solve the challenge of creating high-quality, imaginative visuals without requiring advanced design skills. It is tailored for creative domains such as art, design, and marketing, but its versatility makes it suitable for general-purpose use as well. Text-to-image generation converts natural language prompts into detailed visuals. Customizable styles offers various artistic styles from photorealistic to abstract. Version updates regularly releases improved algorithms, with the latest being version 7 as of April 2025. Zoom out feature allows users to expand the context of an image by generating surroundings. Community integration, accessible via Discord, enabling collaborative and interactive use. AI-generated album covers. Artists have used MidJourney to create unique, eye-catching album art. Concept art for films. Independent filmmakers have leveraged it for storyboarding and visualizing scenes. MidJourney is highly reliable for creative tasks, offering consistent results. However, its accuracy depends on the clarity of the input prompts. It is trained on diverse datasets, but may not always reflect the most recent trends. MidJourney complies with standard data privacy regulations. It uses encryption to protect user data and allows content export. The company emphasizes ethical practices and transparency. MidJourney has been used to create over 10 million images since its launch. It was profitable within just a few months of its beta release. The tool is trusted for creative content with clear policies on data security and user control. Users can export or delete their data as needed. MidJourney offers extensive support through its Discord community, tutorials, and FAQs. It primarily handles text-based prompts, but excels in generating images. The tool is intuitive and requires no special training. Its Discord-based interface is straightforward, making it accessible even for beginners. Performance is assessed through user feedback, community engagement, and regular updates. The tool's effectiveness is validated by its widespread adoption. MidJourney operates on a subscription model with tiers offering different levels of access. There are no hidden costs, but advanced features may require higher tier plans. The tool is compatible with browsers and integrates seamlessly with Discord. Mobile compatibility is limited to Discord's app. Similar tools include DALL-E by OpenAI and Stable Diffusion, each offering unique features. MidJourney's Discord server has over 1 million active users. It was initially tested by asking users to post high-quality photos on Twitter and Reddit. Limited text generation. MidJourney specializes in creating images and does not support text generation or other types of content creation. Dependency on Discord. The tool is primarily accessible through Discord, which may not be convenient for all users. Lack of real-time editing. Users cannot directly edit images within the platform. They must refine prompts to achieve desired results. Bias in training data. Like many AI tools, MidJourney may reflect biases present in its training data, which can affect the diversity and inclusivity of generated content. No audio or video capabilities. MidJourney is limited to image generation and does not handle audio, video, or other multimedia formats. Device compatibility. While it works on browsers and Discord apps, it does not integrate directly with other platforms like Notion or Google Docs. Users should be aware of potential biases in the AI's training data and ensure prompts are clear to achieve desired results.